Hey guys, my name's Laser, and welcome back to another video. So today we're playing some more Bee Swarm Simulator, and I'm with Ethan.
Hi.
So yeah. So guys, I'm here. Ethan is also here.
Hi.
So, he's also going to be recording. He's been recording for a bit. And I'm going to claim this polar bear quest, because why not? It's right here. Boom, boom,
I've been
boom.
recording for a whole 11 minutes and 30 seconds.
And I've been recording for 33 seconds.
Oh yes, and I told the viewers that it'll be like, I don't know, about 10 more minutes and then the video's over.
Oh, yay. So yeah, I'm going to be trying to today, hopefully this video, I'm going to be trying to defeat the Stump Snail. Once and for
And
all.
today, I'm just questing.
Cool. And today, Ethan is right here, doing Black Bear.
Yes, queen, if I click this, I get a gold egg.
Cool. Do Gold Egg. Yes. Good job. Do Gold Egg. I'm going to go and do the Stumpy Boy.
Gold.
Red plus blue equals gold.
Yes. Thank you.
No, someone else is AFKing in the Stumpy Boy field. So now I won't be able to know exactly whose Stumpy Boy is whose. Well, I kinda will, but it's annoying exactly when, oh yes, my Stump Snail is basically inside his Stump Snail. I'm gonna have to leave the field and come back. Because I don't like it when the Stump Snail's right there with the other Stumpy. So yeah. I'll go in now. It'll be better. So I only need 12 million more health done to this snail, and then I will get a bronze star amulet at the least. Silver possibly. Hopefully silver. Do you think I'll get silver, Ethan?
Yes.
I believe in you as well. Wait, no, I don't. Well, I do when you actually can, but like, it might take a while to finally defeat your Stump Snail. Especially with it now being 30 million instead of 25 million.
Oh, okay. Okay. Let me start recording again.
Okay. I'm gonna go over here. Oh. Nope, I want that.
Red plus blue equals gold, guys.
Okay. I'm gonna leave here for a second. No, there's another person in the field. Yay, there's 3 Stump Snails.
Oh, I'm going to that field too.
Why? 4 Stump Snails.
Because I think it's going to be a good field just for the blue. Every other field's crap.
Dude, this is blue basically only. Look, blue, mainly all, and then some red and some white.
Oh yes, I know, we need it. But I'm going to check the shop out when it lets me open the shop.
Okay. Yeah, so I'm gonna mainly just be...
I open the shop and then I press close the shop.
Oh, yay.
That's what I just did.
Okay, so, yeah. Mainly this is all I'm gonna be doing this episode, so yeah. Gonna be trying to defeat the Stump Snail once and for all, because it's been ages since... Well, I've never defeated it, so this will be my first defeat, and I'll finally be able to say that I've done it. So are you coming to this field as well, Ethan?
Yeah, I'll just check something out.
Okay. Also, there is a moon sprout here as well.
I can help you, barely.
It's about to pop anyways.
Let me get a whole bunch of blue pollen, because I guess we'll do the blue pollen here.
Oh yay, look, your Stump Snail is going to go exactly where my Stump Snail is.
I know, and mine's 30,000.
30 million, you mean?
Oh yeah.
Even more.
Well, it's it's not even on my other account.
And now it's 11,999,000 for me.
Update comes out, where it goes to 3 million. Oh wait, that'd be good.
Yeah, that'd be good. 3 million. Yes, I want that.
Update comes out, and it makes yours go all the way back up to 30,000.
30,000's good.
I mean, 40 million!
Yes, it goes all the way back up to 30,000. That would be amazing. Look, there's 4 Stump Snails. I don't like this. It's too bad.
I love this.
It's not good.
Well, let me use my field dice. I can get any good luck.
Go to wherever your field dice tells you to go.
Well, if it's an area I can't go to.
Well, go to... If you can go to it, then go to it. Oh, I'm a science bear because of my gifted, bear bee.
Oh, this is lagging. I'll be back in a second.
Okay.
I was talking to viewers.
Oh, okay. What?
It just like so much, and then they went like half an hour, ran around like 4 times.
That's what happens to me sometimes when I stop recording. It's like, okay guys, it's so laggy. I'm gonna stop. Stops it. Smooth sailing. So yeah.
Now you guys aren't even moving.
Really? So I'm not hopping up and down.
No. Oh my gosh!
What?
Oh, now you are. Now you're just running in air.
Yes, I'm running it in the air.
Hi guys, we're back. It's super laggy, y'all, and yes.
Yay. Super, super
We're
laggy.
going to get a whole bunch of stuff in the super laggy world.
I might have to pause it for a little bit because it still has 11,888,000. Yeah, 888,000 left.
You might start in the store.
So yeah, is this Ethan's? Yeah, this is the one right here that hardly has any damage dealt. You haven't even done 1,000 damage. You've done like 200 damage. Not even that. 198 damage, I think. Oh,
Stop being mean.
it's going down a bit now. But look at mine and how much damage it's going down by. And it's so hard to get my tokens and everything when there's so many Stump Snails inside of my Stump Snail. What is your Stump Snail doing to my Stump Snail? What is your Stump Snail doing to my Stump Snail, Ethan?
I don't know, but I'm running into Stump Snails because it's fun. Feeling good, dang it. My gosh. Me runs into yours, gets hurt somehow.
It's because your head is near my head of the Stump Snail, so yeah.
No, I was saying at the very front of it.
Okay.
Okay, I'm not frozen, but everyone else is. This is like if time froze for a day.
Okay. It's because there's too many Stump Snails in one field.
I know, and it's super laggy.
I'm gonna go and do a tunnel bear then. Oh, I'm about to die. Yay.
I'm leaving too, it's too laggy.
Need to heal up a little bit. Okay, now let's go. Let's just go now. No, I died. Yay.
I'm gonna close because I got a boost for it and it's got red and blue.
Yeah, okay. The best red and blue field is the mountaintop field, but yeah, you can't get to it. Oh, by the way, Sunflower has sparkles.
That's cool. And I'll be back, guys.
Oh, I can also just do King Beetle, I guess, soon. Oh, I'll do it now. King Beetle first. Doing the King Beetle.
Yes, Queen, I can't wait for it to be like... Oof.
Yay.
I
Finish
just want
off
to
the
stop
King
recording
Beetle.
and do the TikTok because it's super laggy.
Okay. Oh, I got a level 9 Vector Bee. Did I get any good things? No, not really. Can you give me a link token, please? If anyone give me a link token, please? Yay, no link token for my hostage chick. Oh, but I do get science beer morph, thank you. Okay, just quickly kill the rhino beetle. Get some gumdrops up in here. And then I'll do tunnel beer, and then I'll just grind for Stump Snail for the rest of the day. Because that's my life now. Oh, I've got 901 tabby love. I just need 99 more and then I'm at my max. What?
Oh no.
Please don't die. Don't die. Don't die. Okay, I'm not dead. Oh, yes, I at least just got that.
If I put this video out soon, I'm going to have to restart because my latest video is at 23 hours, almost 1 day.
What did you say?
My video is almost at 20, a whole day away. And once I do 1 second over, I have to restart the challenge.
I know, so you better upload right now.
The video that's not even ready, yes queen.
Just do it, upload it, even though it's not ready.
I haven't finished.
Well, then you're gonna have to restart then. Which won't be too bad, because then you'd only have to add on an extra day. It's only been a day and you've already ruined the challenge.
It's not my fault. I'm typing as fast as I can.
Okay.
I'm doing support, and I'm running. It's cancelling everything.
Okay, I'm going to Stump Snail now. Are you at Stumpy? I don't think you are. So good, that's good. I'll wait until those Stump Snails have gone, and then I will... Well, not gone like Brissay, but you know. Mother bear morph. I haven't had my mother bears in a while. Or mother bear.
I'm going to go. I'll be back for a time. I'll get some more Wi-Fi.
Okay, yeah, that's fine. And I'll run into the field now. And also get those boosts for everything. All those pollen boosts.
Just too laggy. But anyway, I'm just going to end this video here because this is way too laggy to work in. Oh no, I don't know now.
Is it past 10 minutes so you at least get ads when you are better at YouTube? Okay. So I'm also just going to pause the video for a bit because this might take a little while to finally do Stump Snail. So yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Okay guys, so yes, this is gonna take ages, but I'm still willing to do it. It's still gonna take ages though. And I hardly have any treats, so I can't level my bees up. And I need like 120,000 treats to level my bees up to level 11. For one bee to level 11. And I don't want to use my honey because I'm saving it for my gummy mask, so yay. I could probably just use my honey though, because the gummy mask will take a while. I'm going to go and see how much it would cost to level a bee up to level 11.
Okay.
Or like how much it costs for 120,000 treats.
Oh, and I'm uploading my new bed. Oof, ow.
Is that what it's called? Oof, ow. Best video ever.
No, my hair got tugged for no reason and it really hurt.
Okay, but that's my favourite video that you've ever made.
Oof, ow.
Yep. It's a billion for 100,000 treats.
I'm doing it every 4 hours, not the one that you suggested that I should do, because I know what I should do.
Okay, it's going to be a harder challenge then. Wait, where did I go? Me just looking at the shop. Me somehow get... Oh my... How did I get here? Yes, I'm somehow stuck behind the treat shop. And I can't do it. What has happened? Oh, I can see inside underneath the strawberry field. I can see underneath the strawberry field, yay. Oh. Wait, I'm out nearly. Am I nearly out? I got stuck. Ow. This hurts. I need a bear morph, please.
Okay.
Give me a bear morph. What has actually happened? Please help me. Can't even tell what's happening exactly because I'm behind the treat shop as well. Oh, okay. So my body is normal, but then my backpack is like, no, you need to get underneath the strawberry field. Oh, I'm nearly out. Oh. I don't want to reset character, even though I've got no pollen. Actually, I am going to. This is taking a while, and I don't want that to be the whole video. Like, okay, guys, so the whole video is that we're just going to do this. We're just going to keep on getting stuck. Okay, so, yeah, it's going to be a lot of honey if I want to try and level up my bee to level 11, so I don't think I'm going to do that, but it is still going to take ages to finally do Stump Snail. I'm going to sit through it though, for you guys, and for me. Yes, this is now at 11,300,000, but I've just realised this guy is super good with the honey mask and everything, but he is using a shovel. I don't know why he's using a shovel, but he is. Also, Ethan is gone and he'll be back soon because he's just eating lunch, so get back to work on this. Okay, so it's taken like around 10 minutes, not since I last talked, but around 10 minutes since it went from 11 million to nearly, like, well, basically 12 million exactly to nearly 11 million exactly. So it takes around 10 minutes to go down 1 million. So hopefully I'll finish this today. It would be really, really nice if I could, because as I've said, I can get a a shell amulet, which would be really nice to have, please. I really want one of those, and I don't want to die. So yeah. Wait, is it nearly at the next level? At the next million? 16 million? 15 million? I mean, like 15,000? Yep. Okay, and it is at 10,994,000, so that's perfect. Yeah, this is kind of been a little bit boring. I'm just checking in every now and then with you guys, but I've been watching YouTube. I'm nearly done within half an hour of YouTube video, and I'm only down to here. This is gonna take a while. Oh, yes, I want those jelly beans. Wait, do I have enough? Oh no, I don't have any room. Don't have enough room. What can I use? What things do I have in my inventory that I could use? I don't really want to use any stingers. I don't really know what to use. Oh, and I can't use any of those, no doubt. So, yeah, I've got a random gifted silver. Oh, I got that gifted silver egg from the tunnel beer last episode. But yeah, gonna be a while. I can work on my, which is kind of close to getting Grandmaster, so that will be my first ever Grandmaster. Yeah, how old is my cub bunny? It is 4 days and 1 hour old. Yeah, and Fuzzy Pack is still there even though I've already bought it and you can't buy it again. I don't know what else to do. What quests am I doing like right now while collecting like pollen? I guess I'm sort of which is nice. I guess I could use a red extract and a blue extract for my science spear quest, epic modular color, the endeavor. So yeah, I've only used one of each, so now I can use 2 of each. If I go over to them, where are they? They are here. Use, and use. So now I've got that, and I've now got, oh, bear more, what bear is it? It's brown bear. I've now got 2 in for all of those. And how much left is my Stumpy boy? It is at that much. So yeah, I'll see you when all of these extracts and glue is finished being done. Okay guys, so it is 6 seconds off, and red is gone. Wait, no, not yet. Red is gone, blue is gone, and glue is gone. So we are down to 9,846,000. So let's top up on our things again. Boop, boop. I'm gonna do it in a different order this time. Haha. So yeah, get that. Boom. So see you guys soon, hopefully. Okay guys, it's been finished again for my glues and everything, and my extracts, so I've got this much more to do. So yeah, do some more. Boom. Let's keep going. This person is still here, so that's kind of surprising. And I don't know why he's using the shovel. The shovel is like really bad. It's the worst item in the whole game, but he's using it. So yeah, keep on going with this quest. We're now on this at 4 actually. I thought it was 3. It's at 4, sorry. 4 more treats from you. Yeah. Okay, it's now night time. It's been taking this long. It is at 8,836,000. These are still going at like how much? 4 minutes 15 seconds. So yeah. This is taking ages. I don't even know if I'll do it this episode. No, it's lagging a lot now. I might only do half of it this episode, because it was at like 12 million. So that will go down to like 4 million. Yeah. Yeah, guys, this is gonna take way too long, so I think I'm gonna have to end this video here. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, then please be sure to smash the subscribe button and hit the like button as hard as you can. Check out Ethan's channel. Yeah, this is gonna just take too long to do all today, or at least in this episode. So good. Oh no, I need that first. I need that. There is a thing there. Yes. Okay, so goodbye.